Are your contacts not syncing with iCloud on your iPhone? This issue can be caused by various factors, including incorrect settings, connectivity problems, or iCloud account issues. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem to ensure your contact syncs smoothly. So let's get started. Before anything, make sure that you have stable internet connection. Check your internet connection. Open any browser and go to fast.com to check your internet speed. If the connection is slow, turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to improve connectivity. Now, restart your phone and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2, update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, update it. Solution 3, sign out and back in to iCloud. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID at the top, then scroll down and select Sign Out. Wait a moment, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 4, reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset network settings. Then enter your passcode and tap on Reset network settings again. After that, check if the issue is fixed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of contacts by not syncing with iCloud on your iPhone. If the problem persists or you need further assistance, drop a comment below and I'll hit you back real soon. Thanks for watching.